What's up, you guys? So I got a new cool Amazon mod to show you. It's hood struts. You know, for the price of these new Tacomas, this should come standard. These heavy ass hoods, you know, need hood struts. So we're gonna do a little install and show you before and after. So stick around. It's a pretty nice product. Okay, so we just need a 12 and 13 socket and a wrench. Let's get right to it. Just like that, you guys, easy install. The shocks hold up the hood very easy. Show you how it is. So nice for do-it-yourself projects now. But I appreciate you guys watching. I'll leave the link for the hood struts in the description. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, you guys. Keep watching for more Toyota content. I appreciate it.